I'm to share with you another journal that I've made. This one is a vintage theme and it's a traveller's notebook size. Turned out rather chunky. It has a lace cover. I just need to trim that little bit off. It's got this lovely rosette trim. This was all gifted to me in some Happy Mail from Terry Woods. That was my last two videos. So obviously I've had to use some of it. There is eyelets and some sari silk as a closure. This is the Tim Holtz book plate, and I die cut that 3 times, twice using cardstock and then once with this pattern paper. I've Mod Podged the front of this, and then I added some of this stuff, glamour dust, so it's nice and sparkly. And there is 2 little pearls there. So let's go inside. So I've used some papers from Tsunami Rose, and it's the Charming Fragments Traveller's Notebook size. As you can see, I stitched, there is actually 2 layers of cardstock. There's a patterned cardstock underneath there, but you can't see it now. And then there is the white cardstock here, and it's been sewn together so it's nice and thick. Here we have, there's lots of tags in this. Got some of my stamps out tonight, and I thought, right, I'm going to stamp away because I've got so many of them and I never use them, so I really need to start using my stamps. So I've made various different size tags. This one here, this one here. There is some ephemera here. This is my vintage receipt digital kit. You can find that in my shop. This is from Artie Mays, as is this. And then we have a large tag here, some stenciling in the background, and then this opens out like I normally do. This is additional journaling. I love the staining of this paper. And then that all just pops in there. I do have to put it all back because otherwise I'll forget. We have a doily ticket and a butterfly here with some eyelash trim, some edge punching. We have a glassine bag here, a dictionary page, some Edith Holden. Here I made this envelope and I added my own gesso to the back so it feels really thick and nice. Done some stamping, and it smells lovely because it's got baby powder in my own gesso. Then I made some really large journaling cards from some napkins, and I've waxed them just using a candle, and you just use the candle and you rub it all over the top once the Mod Podge is dry. Terry Woods has got a tutorial on how she does it, so I just followed that. And then there is some glamour dust on the flowers and the butterfly. I'm not sure if the camera's actually picking that up, so that's just in there. Some lined paper, some crocheted trim, some digital paper. We have a pocket here with some lace trim, and that is actually open so you can tuck things inside there. This is a tag that I made. This is from Tsunami Rose. We have this tag here, Live, Love, Laugh. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. And then just some ephemera, a straggly bit there. Just some ephemera in there. I don't hold this down, it will actually close because it's quite chunky. I think I've lent on that enough. Some vintage music paper and a doily here, and it's all shimmery because I put some mica powders. Actually it wasn't, it was the eyeshadow that Terry had sent me. So we've got a paper bag here, some lace trim there, and we have these tags. It says dance like no one's watching, where, who, when, what, why. and this, and then we have a handmade tag, some stamping, and this is from the vintage receipt kit in my shop. Some more digital paper. This was a long piece of lace, and it's like squared and there's loads of them, so I used one of them. So I just sewed that onto some cardstock so that it was nice and thick and obviously the tags wouldn't stick to it when I tucked it in. So we have this tag here, and this one, always wear your invisible crown, perfume bottle. And this is another napkin tag which has been Mod Podged, got some glamour dust on there, and it's been waxed. I can't believe how lovely that feels when it's been waxed. I'll definitely be doing more of that. Paper bag here, it's got some shimmer to it, some more dictionary page, Edith Holden, some more of this digital receipts. Where did that go? Another one of the waxed tags, which is a napkin. I can't believe how lovely that feels. It's really nice. I've always wanted to try the beeswax, and I've never actually done that, but this I have got things that have been sent to me with the beeswax, and the beeswax is actually thicker. It gives a thicker texture to whatever you put the wax on. This is more of a, it hasn't got that thick layer. That's the best way I can describe it. Another tag that I've made, some crochet to trim, centre of the signature, lots of pages to journal. Here we just have an Artie Mays tag and some vintage receipt. Another handmade tag. The other side of the paper bag. Don't you love that noise? Some edge punching. Here is a double pocket with some ephemera, and I've just paper clipped that because that opens out as well, so you can journal. There was a tiny little tear in there, so I've just put some washi on there to strengthen that up. So we've got lots of places to journal there. Where did my paper clip go? I keep losing these paper clips. And this folds out. I just put some music paper on there. That's digital music paper. Here we have another paper bag with some lace trim on there and just a collection of tags. This lovely rose, little typewriter, and then this. Another pocket with some lace trim, some more vintage receipts, another napkin waxed tag with some glitter on there, some glamour dust, another tag, and then two little tags. Follow your dreams, friends or family, you choose. Another one of these envelopes. They do feel really nice. Actually, did that go that way? Oh, I'm putting it on that way. And another journal card with a napkin, and it's been waxed. Edith Holden. I think that needs to go in a little bit more. Edith Holden. Dictionary page, the other side of the glassine bag, some edge punching, and then one of these flip outs. You've seen me do these loads. Again, another idea from Terry Woods. So we have this ephemera here, which is from Artie Mays, this little tag, this tag here says treasure these memories. Oops. Some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, This is from Artie Mays, and this is my vintage receipts. And again, this all opens out. You've seen me do that. Oops, just wobbled the camera. So I think that goes in there. And the paper clip just holds it closed. And we have doily to get in a butterfly, and that is the back. So that is the journal. As you can see, it is quite chunky. Another chunky monkey. This will be listed in my shop. I do still have some kits available. If you want to have a peek at them, I will link that below as well. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.